Hello there. This is a new type of video called an unboxing video. This is my new microphone that I will be using from now on for all of my gameplay and review videos, as well as my other videos that I make on my computer. This is a Maono microphone with a boom mic arm. Maono is the #1 best-selling internet microphone worldwide. This is some of the best mics, beginner quality at least. I know there are a lot of other mics that are really good, including Rode mics and others. This one has anti-shock, anti-pop, 1-key mute, 2-in-1 digital knob, USB-C and XLR connectivity, and boom arm stand included, easy to set up. So this is both a USB-C mic and an XLR mic. My current mic is an XLR that has to plug into a sound control board, which I have, but I don't like it as well. This one is a USB mic that plugs directly into the computer, and the mute knob and the sound volume control is on the mic itself, and you do not have to go to the sound board and control the sound that way. So it's a very easier mic to use. So I'm going to be opening this and unboxing this, and we'll see what it looks like. This is the mic that I'm going to be using for now on for all of the videos that I'm going to do, at least the videos on my computer. I have other mics for other things, but I recently purchased this. So especially my gameplay and review videos will have a lot better audio quality for the narrations, for the gameplay and review videos. So this is a PD200X USB XLR dynamic microphone with boom arm bundle. This was a little over $60. It's even got an RGB LED light up with it, with Maono link. Description: Maono PD200X USB XLR podcast dynamic microphone is designed for podcasters, streamers, and content creators, which is what I am. It has outstanding audio quality, superior noise isolation performance, and is packed with features. The dual output design allows it to be used with professional audio devices like audio interfaces via XLR, or connect to a computer or mobile device directly via USB-C. The unique 2-in-1 knob controls both microphone gain and headphone volume. The custom-built shock mount and wind foam can effectively reduce unwanted noises. With the free Maono Link PC Mac desktop app, you can also control real-time monitoring, customize RGB lighting, and take advantage of the audio processings offered by built-in hardware DSP. Features: dynamic capsule, mute button, shock mount, programmable RGB lights, built-in wind foam, cardioid polar pattern, all-metal body, Maono Link Mac PC and Android app, mic gain and headphone volume control. So this has an app that goes with it, which I will install on my computer for added functionality. This is going to be a whole lot better. It's going to be really fun to use, and I'm going to have a lot more videos coming in the near future. A lot of things are going to be happening in the near future, which I will talk about on other videos. Can't wait. It's going to be exciting, especially this next year. So I'm going to open this now. is the Maono link software document, the little manual for the software and the app, the boom for the microphone boom. Plus my microphone boom is broken, that's also why I got that. It doesn't work that well, so I'm replacing it. The Maono microphone manual. And the Maono thanks for purchasing sheet. And this is what it looks like. The cord, the USB-C cord that plugs into the computer directly. A silicone packet, which I might use for ASMR videos in the future. I might keep that. The desk grip. And the microphone itself. There it is. It looks really, really good with the sound controls. And the boom on itself. So, there you have it. That's how you do it. And there you go. So that's the device I will be plugging in today, and I will be testing it out, and probably tonight I will be doing the first gameplay and review videos and other videos. I'll test it out. So I got a couple videos left to do with the old mic, which I will still use the old mic for those videos, and then I'm going to do all future videos using this mic. So it's going to be pretty awesome. I'm really getting good at YouTube and with the views and starting to get subscribers, so here's to the future. It's going to be pretty fun. We've got a lot of things coming up, so I'll talk about those in other videos in the future. And I hope you've enjoyed this kind of new type of video called an unboxing video for the channel. And there'll be many more videos in the future. When I get new stuff for the channel and everything, I'll unbox them. Just wanted to try this out. Hope you've enjoyed it. See you in the next video.